All right, George joining us now, and we heard the rain a little bit earlier, and apparently we're going to be hearing the wind in just a little while, George.
Yes, indeed. Later on tonight, there could be some strong winds associated with the thunderstorms, but in a couple of hours, the rain will have come to an end here in Grand Rapids, but only momentarily. Let's take a look ahead at your Friday. 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We'll have some evening and overnight showers and thunderstorms in sight. It's also blue, colder, windier weather in view all day on Friday. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. First day of spring, yes, but it hasn't arrived quite yet. We have 5 hours and about 31 minutes before it actually arrives at 11:50 later on tonight. Your weather headlines calling for showers and overnight thunderstorms ending early in the morning on Friday, and then clearing skies, windy conditions. It'll be colder by afternoon as we fall from the 50s near midnight into the 40s by daybreak here in Grand Rapids, and eventually settling down into the 30s. A dry, cool, sunny weekend with highs in the 30s on Saturday and 40 on Sunday, and then a gradual warm up next week. We'll be back into the 40s and even some 50s by the Tuesday of next week through next weekend. Your chances of precipitation dropping off after about 9 o'clock here in Grand Rapids tomorrow, and then we'll get some partial clearing by the end of the day, but the big news will be the strong winds picking up. There's some lakeshore flood advisories going into effect tomorrow. We've had light to moderate rain come through as on schedule this afternoon, and it will end from south to north at least for a little while tonight, but some heavier rain up here around US 10 and northward, moving up toward the Cadillac area. We have some light to moderate rain along and north of I-96, and there's an area of some rain just north of Kalamazoo, between Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. That'll lift up through the Grand Rapids area next couple of hours. Tornado watch back here in Iowa. That's where the stronger storms will be, and we may catch some of the after effects of those as they kind of move out of there later on tonight. We have that marginal risk for severe weather tonight. That is on the lowest end of the scale. I'm thinking we're going to see mainly a threat from some winds. We've got a moderate risk for that. Our forecast confidence is still only moderate. It's not a slam dunk. Watch the back edge of the showers come on through. This is 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock here in Grand Rapids, finally lifting off to the north by 11. But here comes those lines of showers and storms coming out of Wisconsin, Illinois. Those will rumble through between about midnight and 2 a.m. That's when the greatest threat will be. So have a way to be woken up besides thunder and lightning in case there is severe weather. And then all of that rain is going to end after about 8 o'clock in the morning here tomorrow. And then that will push to the east, and we'll get some clearing later on in the day. And that means we're going to see clear skies Friday night, Saturday morning. We got lots of sunshine. Saturday night, even colder. And then we'll only slowly warm up as the winds turn around more to the south and east on Sunday. On Monday, though, we'll start to see temperatures back to where they should be in the 50s. Other than that, not a lot more rain this evening, about a quarter, maybe a third of an inch or more. And then as those storms come in late tonight, we're going to see a lot more, maybe a half to 3/4 of an inch on top of what's already fallen so far. For tomorrow, temperatures will be falling all day. These are 5 o'clock readings. 26 Ludington, 27 Hart, 28 Muskegon, 30 Holland, 30 in South Haven. Up north, these are 5 o'clock temperatures dropping all day to around 26 to maybe as warm as 27 in Fremont, 29 in Greenville. From Grand Rapids southward, these are 5 o'clock temperatures. That's our forecast target tomorrow. Around 30 here in GR, maybe as cold as 32 in Battle Creek. 13 on your side forecast. As I mentioned, a warm-up over the next week, starting on Monday, and then on Tuesday we'll climb into the 50s. Looks like we have some late day and overnight showers possible Tuesday, and again the following Thursday, and then just slightly cooler but seasonable the following weekend. We may see some Saturday showers, though.